Number one, neobanks offer you a very quick account opening process, which is hassle free. It takes only 5 minutes in creating your account, and it takes less than 30 minutes in the whole account activation process. It is all done through eKYC and video KYCs, so there is no paperwork involved. Number two, and I think this is the most crucial factor for any neobank, that's UI UX. Come on, man. Traditional banking apps have never focused on UI UX, but these banks have done it. They have really good user interface and easy to navigate interface. Number three, easy expense tracking. Your traditional banks often send you this email every month, which has this PDF attached, and you have to go through the statement one by one. But neobanks, they have their AI enabled features, and they also have voice recognition. You can just literally ask your banking app that how much did I spend last month. Number four, more than banking. And this is probably my favorite feature for any neobank. They're not only trying to improve your experience in banking, but at the same time, they're trying to cultivate good habit of investing and savings. Number five, there is no hidden charges and there's no additional fees. You don't have to pay for any kind of messaging service or email service, and there is no annual maintenance charges as well.